Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today. And today I'm sharing with you guys a brand new weekend Dollar Tree haul. And I just got in from Dollar Tree, so I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. I got some really cool stuff. And I'm going to be doing another video on here, doing a DIY kind of home decor project using some Dollar Tree items. So yeah, I'll show you guys some of that in this video, but if you want to see what I'm making or how it turns out, I will definitely be posting a video here soon, so you guys will see that. But yeah, let's jump right in so I can show you guys what I picked up this time. And sorry for the lack of videos. It's just been such a busy, crazy, hectic, month for me already, and I'm still filming videos, but it's just been kind of hard, a little bit sparse here lately, but I will be picking up on that, so please do not fear. And you guys know I always got hauls going on this channel, so if you're a fan of hauls, definitely give me a like and a subscribe. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So first bag, I picked up one of these tablet sleeves. It's a turquoise kind of color. I'm going to just use this to store my tablet when I'm not using it so that it doesn't collect dust on it. Not too bad for $1. I also picked up 2 of these Colombiana breakfast biscuits in the mixed berry flavor. These are actually going to be going to some coworkers of mine who are like really in love with these. So I told them I'd pick those up for them. I also picked up another Glad sandwich bags. This is 22 of the sandwich bags in there. I really like the Glade bags the best. I also picked up 2 boxes of these Safe and Soft tampones. I usually pick up stuff that is from like the drugstore. I typically don't purchase a lot of Dollar Tree ones, but I kind of wanted to try these out because it does say compared to Tampax Pearl, and I got the super and the regular, and these are the plastic applicators. So I've never really seen these in there before, at least not in my Dollar Tree, so I wanted to give them a go and just kind of see how they work out for me whenever I need them. They didn't have a lot of new makeup items, but I did pick up another blender sponge. I really like the little Dollar Tree blender sponges. And they also had some new e.l.f. little flawless eyeshadow little palette quad things. This is in Party Purple. Really pretty purple colors there, so I picked that up. And then I also picked up some of this Assured ibuprofen tablets. Going to be taking these into work, keeping them there for whenever I need them. So picked some of those up. And I think they probably work just as good as Advil or whatever. So, and then I also got in here, I'm trying to keep some of these together. I think I'm actually missing one, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that here in a minute. Moving on to the next bag. There they are. Okay, now I can show it to you guys really quick. So I'm going to be doing a DIY succulent project. I did one before, and I did like a do-it-yourself succulent garden. I'm going to be doing another one, so I picked up some more succulent plants, and these are a bargain for $1. I was at Michael's the other day and wanted to pick some up and make another one through them, and theirs were much more. In fact, they were quite expensive, so getting these for $1 is worth it. So I picked up this one here, which is red. I picked up this one, also picked up one of these, like a tall one. This one is really cool. I really like this one. It feels kind of hairy, which is cool. And one of these, and also picked up one of these. And then to use for the pebbles in the little containers, I got 2 of these bags of these lime green pebbles. So those were quite a bargain. Oh, and I forgot one more. I have one more succulent in here actually. So I got this one here. So that's really cool. And then I'll show you guys the containers. I'm going to be putting them in here in a minute. But like I said, if you guys want to tune in and see how those turn out, I will be doing a video on that. So just stay tuned for it. I picked up 2 of these VO5 shampoos. I was going to just pick up one, but then I saw the other one and I had to pick it up as well. I really like VO5 shampoos, so I picked this one up. This is the Extra Body with Collagen shampoo. Used this before and I really do like it. And this one is like a bigger size than the normal size. So I went ahead and got that. Love that. Those are paraben free and everything. And then I also picked up one of these. This is the VO5 Solutions Volumizer Amplifying Shampoo. It's also paraben free. I've never tried this one. I've heard mixed reviews on it, so I'm just going to kind of think on the positive side with it, but we'll give it a go. So I picked up 2 of those to try out. And then I also picked up 2 more puzzles for my mama and me to make. We love making puzzles together when I go to her house. So I picked this one up, and this is what it looks like. It's a New Orleans puzzle, so that one should be kind of challenging to do. And I also picked this one up, and this one is a sailboat village. And they're both 500 pieces. So that's what this one looks like. So we're probably going to be doing that. And then in the last bag here, I picked up a Valentine's Day bag. Cute little Valentine's Day bag. They have the cutest little bags in Dollar Tree. I also picked up some candies in there. I'm trying to find them, I think that's all the candies that I had. Okay, so I picked up some candies. I picked up these fudge hearts with soft creamy fudge, and I picked up these Starburst Valentine's Day ones. Also picked up this Valentine's Day card, and it's so cute because it has a dog that kind of looks like Muffin. It says you are loved. Got a little message inside, so I'll probably be giving that to my mom for Valentine's Day because she loves anything with dogs that look like Muffin on it. I also got some of this wrapping paper, really pretty wrapping paper. And then I think the last thing that's in here is I bought 3 of these little glass containers, and I think these are what I'll be using for my succulents. So hopefully I can get 2 at least in each little container. But these are very good quality, $1 each, so I picked up 3 of those. So that is everything that I picked up in this haul. Not a huge haul, but a very productive haul, I must add. And if you guys enjoyed this haul and want to see more of them, leave me a like and be sure to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.